Hey, so if Google Gemini is taking too long to respond, like slow loading or delayed answers, yeah, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Google Gemini's slow response issues in 2026. First thing, check your internet speed. Slow connections are the main reason behind delayed responses. Next, refresh the page. So, this clears temporary lag or glitches. All right, try shorter prompts. Very long or complex requests can slow down response time. Now close unnecessary tabs. Too many open apps can slow your browser performance. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. So this helps improve loading speed. All right, disable extensions. Some plugins can slow down Gemini. And yeah, switch browser or device. This helps check if the issue is device related. So that's how you fix Google Gemini slow response issues. Once fixed, it should respond faster and smoother.